Worried about getting nicks when trying to groom your special places? This is a simple and fast review of the MANSPOT groin and body trimmer for men. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, there is a trimmer safety message here to kind of give you an idea of kind of best practices. It does say it's sharp, so be careful. Comes with a nice little guard here, basic level guard that you can just pop right off on the edges if you want to remove it, but just a simple guard to keep on to begin with for general protection. Assuming there's other pieces down here. Yep. So it comes with a kit, user guide, and then inside here, it's a sealed packet. So you'll have to kind of open it up, and you'll find a cleaning brush, a couple different heads. Now the way these work is they come with two different sizes on each, which is a pretty clever concept because who needs to have 50 brushes? 50 combs. When it's a lot easier to just have a couple. So you do have the 1.5, you have the 3 right from the start. So let's just show you once again. You'll just kind of pop these on, and it does give you an idea on which direction you want to use, and it also kind of tells you on the side here, I don't know if you can tell, but 12 and 9, and you'll just kind of pop it in so that it gets to click in and meets the front. And again, you'll just kind of use this to shave from there. I'm going to demonstrate this on my face, but I do want to just let you know that you have multiple sizes. So you have 1.5 and 3, and then you'll have this is the 9 and 12, and this is the 3 and 6. So I'm not sure how this is just very different, other than that it might just be, because that's a 3, and that's a 3. So I'm just wondering, looks like they're both 3 millimeter. Either way, I guess you have 2 there, and then you'll have those 2. You do have a USB-A. I'm sorry, yeah, USB-A to plug charger to kind of plug this in. It'll fit in, that way. And then you'll just simply charge it up from there. It does have a band, so I'll just kind of plug this in real quick to show you. How it charges. It'll just show a light, apparently. It does come with 3 lights. It looks like it's fully charged already. So we'll test that out and let you know if there's any kind of changes to that. But of course, you can just take off the all this stuff. You cannot run it while charging. That's a good piece of information. And again, you're going to just run this. It is very soft. So actually, I'm going to demonstrate this by shaving my face because I can't really show my private parts here. But we'll take a look at it and test it out and go from there. I believe this is waterproof. It's got that waterproof feel, most importantly here, but it should be pretty awesome to use. I will not be shaving in the shower, but you can do your cleaning in the shower if that makes sense. And then again, just to clean it, you'd simply just use the brush. So we're going to go ahead and test this out and take it from there. All right, so what I'm going to do to kind of demonstrate this is I'm just going to shave my face. That way you can get a good feel. I'm going to use it with no clip at all. I'm going to shave half my face, and then that way you can kind of see what it looks like compared to this, and we'll go from there. right, so I'm not impressed with what it did on my face. It's not really close. It doesn't really give me a nice clean shave or anything like that. But let's be honest, it's not a shaver. I did test it out on some, on like my stomach area, and it did a nice job. It just doesn't seem to get really close on this kind of stuff, but kind of longer hairs it was able to kind of get rid of very easily. So as far as my stomach, I feel great. It's probably very, very soft around the gentle parts. I haven't tried that yet, frankly, but it did feel good. And again, making sure that you're kind of using the angles properly. If you go like this, it might not get you the right way. And so just be aware of that. That's a big factor. So worth buying. I love the waterproof capabilities and I love the gentleness of this. Battery is out obviously fine. So you'll get a lot of use out of this thing, and so worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.